Hello everyone! Today we are going to learn how to insert image in HTML. So let's start with the image tag. Image tag is img, then we press tab and we can see the two default elements, the source and the alt. The source is the path of the image, and the alt it's the text that will show if the image cannot be found or loaded. So let's start from the source. I've downloaded an image named Mustache Elon Musk, so I will rename it. Ctrl A to select all, Ctrl C so I can copy it. Then I put the folder, because we always want to have a folder for the image. Now we put image slash the only image that we have here. Then we will put the Visual Studio Code and the browser side to side. Now we will press the Go Live button and we can see that it will be open. There's Elon Musk with mustache. And now I'll show you how to put an image from an external server. We can go from Google, choose any image. I will choose this one. I will put copy image link. So instead of having this path in your own folder, we can paste. You can paste it into the source, save it, and the main page will change as well. Now, for the alt, we may want to put like a label, a title for the image. As an example, Elon Musk. Happy Elon Musk. So we cannot see it because the image is loaded, but imagine we don't paste the right link. The image cannot be found, so it will show this icon and the Happy Elon Musk, the alt text that we choose. So I will show you another very useful trick. An element. We can put the width and the A, so we can change both sizes of the image. We can put first the width, as an example, 300 for 300, and it will become a square, a smaller square. But if we want some more width, you can change from the width, like 600, and he will become a little bit fatter. So thank you guys and see you soon.